If you've ever felt like no matter how much you work out or how healthy you eat, your body just won't change, keep watching, because I've been exactly where you are. Have you ever wondered how some people walk around with perfectly flat stomachs while you're stuck with that stubborn belly that just won't budge? Yeah, me too. I was so tired of sucking in my stomach for photos and wearing oversized shirts just to hide my belly, so I did what any desperate person would do. I went down the internet rabbit hole. I tried everything, from detox teas to waist trainers. Nothing worked until I found science-backed methods specifically for belly fat, and here's the shocking part. None of them required a gym. In this video, I'm sharing 4 simple strategies that target belly fat, require zero equipment and no gym time. And that 4th tip, it might be the exact reason you still have belly fat right now. I'll show you what I ate, what exercises I did, and why my past attempts failed but finally worked this time. If I can do it, anyone can. Let's start with food because this is where it all begins. Stop obsessing over calories. They're just a measurement. High calories aren't automatically bad. Low calories aren't automatically good. What really matters is the quality of your food. Focus on real, single-ingredient foods. Fruits, veggies, grains, and protein. Forget the fake healthy stuff like granola bars, protein shakes, or sugar-free snacks. Portion is king. I'm not saying you can never have pizza. In fact, I want you to eat it. Restriction leads to obsession, and obsession leads to overeating. Instead, have one slice with a salad or scoop ice cream into a bowl. Pre-portioning your food lets you enjoy it guilt-free. Stop starving yourself. Skipping meals spikes cortisol and makes your body cling to belly fat. Eat filling, high protein, high fiber meals. Eggs, chicken, beans, big salads. Fiber keeps you full and digestion smooth. And remember, healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Volume eating lets you eat more for fewer calories. Life is too short not to enjoy food and too short not to reach your dream body. Everyone is obsessed with lemon water, and honestly, it's not just a trend, but I have an upgraded version. Basically, lemon water's cooler, tougher big sister. A little bitter. Unlike me, obviously. This drink has a kick, and yes, it might make you pull faces at first, but stay with me. Take warm water, not hot, just cozy. Add fresh lemon juice, a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper, and the secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir it up. Does it taste amazing? No, it tastes like a science experiment gone wrong. The first time I tried it, I genuinely thought I'd poisoned myself. But trust me, your metabolism will thank you. Gym memberships are way too expensive, and the fitness industry makes billions convincing us we need fancy equipment to lose belly fat. You don't. You can do a 30-minute home workout while binging your favorite show. We're not going to the gym, but we are going to move our bodies. If you're still doing a million crunches, log off right now. Crunches only build muscle under the fat. They don't burn the layer sitting on top. What actually burns fat is cardio. Walking, jogging, dancing, skipping rope, squats, Pilates, whatever gets you moving. I started doing daily 20 to 30-minute walks with my playlist blasting, and the results were insane. Add in core exercises like planks, mountain climbers, and Russian twists. These train your core so your waist doesn't just lose fat, it literally snatches itself. And babes, consistency is key. Don't go all out one week and disappear the next. Even small movements matter. And remember, start small. If you can only do an exercise for 30 seconds, that's fine. Gradually increase to a minute, then 2, then 5. It's not about doing everything at once, it's about getting a little better each time. Okay, so besides food and workouts, let's talk little lifestyle hacks that literally changed my waist game. Stress and movement matter. Even walking around with music helps. Exercise boosts focus and energy, and seeing it as long-term health, not just to look slim, keeps you consistent. Sleep is non-negotiable. Your body repairs and burns fat while you rest. Without enough, cortisol spikes, the store belly fat hormone, and all your hard work goes to waste. No more 3 a.m. binge watching. Routine helps. Eat at consistent times. Breakfast before 9, lunch by 1, dinner before 8. Your hormones love rhythm, and it stops random snacking. Mindfulness works. Pause before snacking. Am I really hungry or stressed? This stops emotional eating and keeps your goals on track. Move everywhere. Don't rush. Belly fat is stubborn. Start small. 30 seconds of exercise is enough. Gradually increase and focus on getting a little better every time. You deserve to feel good in your skin without punishing yourself. I'll make it simple for you. You don't have to start all these habits at once. Just pick one to start today, follow it every day for the next 30 days, and let me know which one you chose. I'd love to hear. Remember, this isn't about chasing some perfect figure or what social media tells you. No, you're not doing this because something is wrong with how you look. You're doing it because you deserve to feel strong, confident, and amazing in your own skin. So yeah, take care of yourself. Maybe turn off Netflix, go to bed, and just start with one step at a time.